50th competitive test. This idea of the presidency towns determining the pattern of our social structure, industrial advancement and the system of our railways still persists, full stop. That is the mental lag that is hampering the vision of the planning commission, the railway board and the railway ministry, full stop. Sir, once I happened to travel from London to Rome by train, full stop. Another time I had to travel from Moscow to Kiev by train, full stop. Nowhere did I find on the continent of Europe lines of varying breadth, full stop. It is all a uniform gauge, full stop. In America, in every industrially advanced country, you find that the gauge is uniform, full stop. This very country which ruled us, namely, the United Kingdom, had inside its border a uniform gauge, but they inflicted three systems of gauge on India, full stop. New paragraph. Complaints have been made that, in a number of cases, temporary appointments are made without any real urgency and with the intention of giving the temporary selectees an almost decisive advantage over those who may apply later, full stop. Governments are anxious that there should be no room for complaints of this kind, full stop. They, therefore, desire that scrupulous care should be taken to ensure that the power of making temporary appointment bracket start without consulting the commission bracket close is used only in cases of real necessity to make the appointment immediately, full stop. New paragraph. They thought that would, perpetuate what is called their domination, or in the negative sense that they would impede the industrial and economic growth of India in the old days, I am told, it is the government which built the broad gauge line and it is the private companies that took to this meter gauge and the narrow gauge, full stop. Though they may not have had the distinction of private and public sector in view then, it now appears that what the so-called public sector then did has been good and what the private sector then did has been to our disadvantage, full stop.